This is the Beast Animal Show, coming to you from West Palm Beach, Florida.
What is up, my beast warriors? Today, we will be doing an unboxing for WWE Slam Crate / WrestleCrate. Now, I want to go over some things with you guys. This will be my last time I will be doing Slam Crate because I am canceling Slam Crate, basically, and I will be doing that wrestling club, basically. And I noticed there's a discount code for that wrestling club from JD from New York. Shout out to him. I will use that discount code for that wrestling club and get the heavyweight box, basically. But I will still be with WrestleCrate, basically. So, yeah. So, basically, in the summer, I'll be with WrestleCrate. And I will be with that wrestling club. And I will not be with Slam Crate anymore, basically. So, I just wanted to let you guys know that, basically. So, yeah. What we're going to do here is we're going to make an unboxing video, and I am always the king and the beast when it comes to unboxing videos. Nobody does it better than the Beast Animal. Not even PewDiePie, not Jenna Marbles, not Team Martin, none of those YouTubers that do unboxing videos that have so many subscribers and so many views that brag about how great everything is they get, and they brag about their unboxing videos and all that stuff. We don't do that type of shit here. When I unbox things, I make it entertaining. There's only one jackpot of a fucking unboxer right here, and you're looking at him right here, and that's a Beast Animal. The best YouTube channel to when it comes to unboxing videos. I'm number 2, number 1 is JD, basically. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, JD from New York, greatest YouTuber of all time. Shout out to him. He's number 1 when it comes to unboxing videos, but I am number 2 when it comes to unboxing stuff on this channel, basically. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, I want to give a shout out to my buddy Will and my friend Haley. They're very great, phenomenal friends, and they're great supporters to this channel. So I want to give a shout out to both of them. Alright, guys, so let's get to the unboxing video. This is WWE Slam Crate. Thank God I'm not going to be subscribed to Slam Crate anymore. I will be subscribed to that wrestling club. Along with WrestleCrate also, I'll be subscribed to. So it'll be WrestleCrate, I'll be subscribed to, and also that wrestling club. Not Slam Crate, because Slam Crate sucks. Let's see what that's inside the Slam Crate box and see what's going on. Because Loot Crate sucks. I'm sorry, it does. Some of it. Oh, let's see what kind of shirts we got. Looks like we got a t-shirt in here. We'll save that for the end, basically. Looks like we got a, Ooh, we got a Kurt Angle mug, man. Oh, it's a mug. It's a damn mug. A Kurt Angle mug. That's pretty cool, man. I gotta say, I gotta admit, it's pretty cool. Kurt Angle mug. You suck, it says on the mug. That is fucking awesome, man. That is the most funniest cup I've ever gotten. Okay, that's great. That was great. That's great. That's a good cup. That's fucking awesome. It says you suck on it. Kurt Angle. Olympic gold medalist. They won a gold medal with a broken freaking neck. Oh, it's true. It's damn true, man. What else we got in here? Looks like we got a 2018 planner for WWE. Is this like a notebook or something? Let's open up and see what it is, basically. Wow. Oh, planner, look. Probably take this to school or something. Probably a great thing for school to write down your assignments. Probably a great thing to do for school, like, or college or something. You take notes, you got the calendar. write down your reminders, like a notebook planner. Pretty cool, man. That's pretty cool. I admit that's pretty cool. And then what we got here was we got a championship. We got the NXT Championship, man. That's pretty cool, man. That's really cool, by the way. Basically, looks like we got a this is basically the WrestleCrate exclusive, which is the theme called Like a Boss, basically. We got a poster of Bobby Roode outside the ring with Bobby Roode, basically. That was pretty cool. Let's read what it says on here. How would you describe your wrestling style and what are your biggest advantages? Traditional style, I am able to adapt to any style that my opponent may bring in the ring. Having made your mark on NXT, including a dominant championship run, what are your goals for SmackDown Live? To make SmackDown Live glorious and to be a WWE champion. How long did your time at NXT prepare you for taking on the SmackDown roster? I learned how the WWE presents its superstars. I was put in a position in NXT to compete against top talent. We know you're the most glorious of all time, but who would you consider your glorious inspiration? 3 men, Kurt Hennig, Ric Flair, Rick Rude. If you were to make a glorious stable using superstars past or present, who would you add to your ranks? The 3 men mentioned in the previous question. Not only do you have a fine collection of robes, and you also have a very impressive collection of suits. What tips would you give someone looking to make their wardrobe more glorious? Don't be afraid to spend money. Perception is reality. What would be your dream match? WrestleMania versus John Cena for a world title. That's a great challenge selection. What do you geek out about? Diet and workout. Nice. And then we got a poster of Daniel Bryan, basically. Very nice poster. Very nice, man. Very nice. And then we got like a little, it's like a little wrestling little kind of ring or whatever. And then we got the boss, Sasha Banks. I got the shirt on right now, man. That's awesome. And then right here, we got a shirt today. And what shirt did we get this week, man? Protect the yard. You unleash the big dog. Okay, alright. Are you fucking kidding me, man? Are you fucking kidding me? A Roman Reigns t-shirt, man. Are you joking me, WrestleCrate? Fuck out of here. You think I'm gonna really wear this Roman Reigns shirt? Look at this shit. Roman Reigns, are you joking me, man? Are you freaking joking me? Roman Reigns. I'm gonna go walk around in public or go to an NXT event or go to a wrestling event wearing a Roman Reigns shirt and people are gonna be looking at me like, why does this guy have a Roman Reigns shirt on, man? Are you freaking serious, man? Fuck out of here, man. I'm gonna go to a wrestling event and go up in front of go with a bunch of true hardcore fans. They're gonna see me with this Roman Reigns shirt on. You really think WrestleCrate I'm gonna wear this shit? Fuck Roman Reigns, man. That fucking wrestler sucks. Fuck Roman Reigns. I can't stand that fucking wrestler. Yeah, I'm not gonna wear it in public or whatever, man. But seriously, man, I might give it to a friend. You know, I have a friend named Caitlin that lives in West Palm Beach. She's a Roman Reigns fan. I might give this shirt to her probably. I might give her this shirt probably, basically. So yeah. But anyways, man, Roman Reigns, fuck out of here, man. Fuck that. Fuck that wrestler. Anyways, guys, let's get to the WrestleCrate unboxing. Let's see what we got inside this WrestleCrate. We're unboxing 2 WrestleCrates. This is the first one. Looks like we got 2 t-shirts in here. Holy shit. Looks like we got a Andre the Giant stuffed animal kind of figure. That's pretty fucking awesome, by the way. I like it. And then we got a wrestling. We'll save a t-shirt for the end. Looks like we got a Born to Botch bumper sticker, and that's nice. And then we got a looks like I don't know who the hell this guy is. It's like something baseball. It's kind of weird. All right, then we got a t-shirt. Oh, we got an autograph, by the way. Let's read the autograph first. Let's see what autograph we got. The Nature Boy Ric Flair autograph. Woo! I met Ric Flair before. I was actually on Ric Flair's ESPN 30 for 30. Go look it up on my YouTube channel. I was on Ric Flair's documentary, Hugging Charlotte. Really great. Phenomenal moment. Anyways, guys, we got a t-shirt here. Looks like we got a little pink. That's pretty cool. This looks really nice. I'm not sure what, I can't read the letters off of here, but it's a pretty cool wrestling shirt, I have to say. I'm gonna admit, pretty cool. And then we got a the main event of the unboxing. The last shirt we got is we got a red t-shirt. We got Viva La Lucha with basically 3 luchas on it. Fucking awesome. And then in the center, we got all 3 luchas on here, man. That's freaking awesome, man. What a phenomenal shirt, by the way, man. Very phenomenal, very great, guys. Very great. This was a great WrestleCrate, by the way. Basically. Goodbye. Thank God I'm done with SlamCrate, because fucking SlamCrate sucks. They give me a fucking Roman Reigns shirt. Both of these t-shirts that WrestleCrate gave me are so much better than that fucking Roman Reigns shirt, man. Fuck Roman Reigns. Let's see what we got in this WrestleCrate right here. This will be your last. This will be the last WrestleCrate we unbox right here. What we got inside, basically. The side. Tape on the side. Tape. Basically. There we go. Got it. Okay. What do we have inside here? Okay. Looks like we got a Royal Rumble 2018 special. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, it's like a comic book, basically. It's pretty nice. Looks like we got a WWE Collector's Card. Former NXT star Bolt Dempsey, signed by him. That's nice. And then right here we got, looks like we got glasses, or whatever. Decent. Then we got a Young Bucks. Oh wow, man, a Young Bucks one? That's awesome. Holy shit. Love that. Ready to Rumble. We got a beer, wait, you put your beer, some of you put your beer inside. I'll be putting my root beer inside this shit. That's for sure, man. Then right here we got a WrestleCrate exclusive, WrestleCrate, or whatever. I thought this is the Ultimate Crate, isn't it? Oh yeah, exclusive Matt Jackson figure. That's pretty cool. This I'm pretty sure, I don't know what t-shirt this is, but this looks fucking awesome. Protect the business, keeping kayfabe since 1980, man. That's a nice shirt, by the way. I'm impressed with that. You know what? I've made my decision, basically. You know, WrestleCrate, I gotta stop doing WrestleCrate. I don't like it anymore. Along with SlamCrate. You know what? The 2 crates I'm moving to is That Wrestling Club and Pro Wrestling Crate. Those are the 2 new crates I'm moving to. Pro Wrestling Club, That Wrestling Club, and Pro Wrestling Crate are the new subscriptions. WrestleCrate, I know it's been a great journey with you guys. SlamCrate, it's been a great journey with you guys too. But it's time for me to try some two other new wrestling subscription services. That Wrestling Club and Pro Wrestling and Pro Wrestling Tees or Pro Wrestling Club, whatever your sponsorship's called. I am joining you guys, and I am damn ready to join you guys, and I am ready to pour all my money out to you guys because I can't wait to be a part of your subscription box services. So That Wrestling Club and Pro Wrestling subscription services, I'm signing up for you guys in the summer. So be prepared for the Beast Animal to take over That Wrestling Club and Pro Wrestling Tees box, or whatever you call it. Anyways, guys, we got all this in the WrestleCrate. We got a bunch of other stuff, and yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, and hope you guys have a great evening. I'm the Beast Animal, and this is the Beast Animal Show. Have a good night.
I come from